Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Dose Diaries. I'm so excited to share this video with you because it's officially my first ever long video here on the channel. So make yourself comfortable because today I'm taking you along with me on a very chill day where I finally got some unexpected time off and decided to make the most of it. Being a college student, my days are usually packed. Like seriously, between lectures, submissions, and group projects, I barely get time to breathe. But today is different. It's one of those beautiful, rare days when everything slows down. No classes, no assignments, just me time. Honestly, it feels amazing, even though I miss all my friends, especially during times like this. But at the same time, there's something really refreshing about having space to just do your own thing. So I thought, why not make something simple but delicious to treat myself? After debating between pasta, Maggie, or even baking cookies, which I absolutely love, I finally decided on something classic and cozy. Fritters. They're crispy, flavorful, and honestly, there's just something comforting about frying up snacks while music plays in the background. I headed straight to the kitchen and grabbed a bottle gourd, Lauki. Now don't worry, if that's not your thing, you can totally use onions, potatoes, cabbage, or whatever veggie you've got lying around. Here's what I did. Peeled and grated the bottle gourd, squeezed out all the water so they don't turn soggy. Mixed in salt to taste, red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric, coriander powder, and a few spoons of gram flour, besan, to bind everything. Then I shaped the mix into little fritter balls and dropped them into hot oil. The sound of the sizzling oil was so satisfying, and the smell, pure heaven. I made 2 to 3 batches and patiently waited for them to turn golden brown and crispy. Then came the best part, tasting them. I had them with my homemade tomato chutney and a hot cup of tea. And wow, they turned out so good. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, and bursting with flavor. After stuffing myself with those delicious fritters, I just sat back and enjoyed the moment. It's these little things that make a huge difference sometimes. Doing something for yourself, even if it's just a snack. I spent the rest of the afternoon watching a light show on Netflix and doing a bit of journaling, which is something I've been trying to get into lately. You know, it's really important to slow down once in a while and just reconnect with yourself. No pressure, no expectations, just simple choice. So if you ever get an unexpected day off like this, don't feel guilty for doing nothing big. Sometimes, nothing is exactly what you need. If you try out this fritter recipe or make your own version, please let me know in the comments and feel free to share your favorite chill day recipes too. I'd love to try them out. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Daily Dose Diaries.